Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on Madrasa Phone. Today I will be sharing with you a very quick and easy recipe of fruit salad which I make primarily during Ramadan. It's very easy and simple and let's see how to make it. Hey there, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon to get notified for my latest updates. Now, to make this fruit salad, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to take the fruits that are available with me, which were apples and bananas and oranges, and I've just taken one of each and a juice of one lemon. So these are the best basic. This is a very basic fruit salad. Just no fuss. These fruits are available with everyone, and it's available mostly at all times. It's no longer depending upon the season. Now, apples are available all at all times. Oranges are available at all times. I'm not sure about all parts of the world, but mostly it is available in all seasons. So this is the most basic fruits that I've taken. I have thinly sliced these apples because really it tastes so good if it is thinly sliced as opposed to big chunks. And you can basically take any fruit you can add to it. You can add in strawberries to this. You can add in kiwis, grapes. You can go ahead and add even mangoes. My God, mangoes taste so amazing with these guavas. Why not? Any fruit that you want. But these were the fruits that were available at my home with me. And since this is the most basic ones, I'm making this fruit salad with this. And I have even gone ahead and chopped thinly sliced my bananas too. Because really, when the fruit salad will be ready, when you sit down to eat, these thinly sliced fruits will just sort of melt in your mouth. Now, I have used my knife to peel off the orange just to get rid of all the fiber. And since I really cannot thinly slice my oranges, I'm going to finely dice up. So yes, I'm going to dice up my oranges. Its oranges were so delicious. They were so sweet. It kind of it had the perfect balance of sweet and sourness. It was really perfect. Tasted amazing. So yeah, and you see how juicy they are. They're just oozing in their juice as well. So that's all. Just cut up your fruits and just add in a dash of lemon, one whole lemon actually. I did not add a dash, but I added entire lemon to this. Um, Before adding lemon, let me just go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Now, salt and sugar is optional. It's up to you whether you want to add or not. But I've added this here because, like I said, it tastes really good with this. And you can also add chaat masala if you want to with this. That also really tastes good. So that's all. This recipe is done. It's completed. It's so simple and it is so delicious. Now you have to let this fruit salad sit for like at least half an hour in the refrigerator. You can leave it there so that the sugar melts and it dissolves and it kind of form that kind of syrup. It tastes delicious, really delicious. Now this is my iftar table which has been set up, and I think I've shown this clip several times for the last couple of my videos because I made each of these as separate videos. Although I wanted to club it and make it, but sorry, I couldn't do that. But I made it as separate videos, and each of it is available on my channel. Each of these recipes are available on my channel. But I really hope that you will try my fruit salad and you will let me know in the comment section how it turned out, and let me know of how the other iftar recipes turn out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share, and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.